Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S53 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which will allow us to change the date, time and the time zone manually, however they are inactive. It is because we are using network provided time and the time zone, so first of all we have to turn off both of those options, and right now we can freely tap on date and from the calendar pick the date we want to use. So let me randomly pick this one, for example, tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, we can pick it from this clock, confirm everything with OK, and it will be set on the status bar also. Here we can change the time zone, just tap on it, and here you've got the full list of all available ones, so find yours and tap on it, for example Turkey in my case, and go back. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. We've got also the time format. You can decide which one you'd like to use. Currently we are using 24-hour one. If you want to use 12-hour format, just turn off this option. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time, manually of course. If you want to get back to the previous settings, so the automatic options, just tap on those switches here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.